Hi guys, this is my third day here in Australia. Ngayon nga guys ay magre-rent a car tayo dito sa 5-star car rentals. Pwede nyo pick upin yung car as early as 8 a.m. Ito nga guys, papasok na kami dito at magpaparegister kami. Kukunin lang sa inyo dito guys is yung license card ninyo at yung witness. At least meron kayong isang witness. Kukunin din niya yung license nun. Allowed kayo ditong mag-drive until 3 months. Kung ang driver's license nyo ay Philippines, pwede po kayo na mag-drive dito as foreigner for almost 3 months. At ang pinaka-payment neto guys is 1,200 for 7-seater. Bibigay sa inyo ng full tank at kailangan ibalik nyo rin ng full tank. Bali, nirentahan natin to guys ng 8 days and then kailangan nyo i-check o kaya i-video nyo kung may mga damage. Kahit small damage yan, kailangan ilista